Welcome to another video. Today we are baking a chocolate moist cake. Come along.
Alrighty. 2 cups of flour. I'm doing something not right. I put too much. This prevents lumps, so that's why you have to do it through a sieve to prevent lumps. Two cups. I'll go make it very fast, so don't worry. Okay. All right, and then we add sugar. We do the same. Oh, this sugar is a bit, it's actually, the sugar is fine because it's not what? It's not thing. And then cocoa. This one you need a sieve for because this needs to be fine. Otherwise those granular things will make you have lumps. Okay. Okay. And then we need 1.5 baking teaspoon. Okay? Teaspoon, tablespoon, teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. So that is 1, and then you need to look for the 1/2 teaspoon. Okay. Okay, this is baking powder. No? Sorry, I'm mixing it up with baking soda. This one should have been 2 actually. And then we need baking soda. We need 1.5. Okay. Guys, I'm trading on dangerous grounds because
On here, I was just adding the rest of the dry ingredients together, and then I'll start with the wet ingredients. Yeah, it was quite a process. I think what I was supposed to do is measure out all my ingredients and just put them out for you on the video. But yeah, come along. Thank you so much.
so that's it for our dry ingredients, right? Yeah, those are our dry ingredients. Everything in. Don't over mix it at this point. And then now I'm gonna mix our wet ingredients. Okay. I need to do. Where's the lemon? Give me lemon. So I put my dry ingredients here, and then I make my buttermilk. This is how you make buttermilk, guys. Like, you don't need to go all out and buy buttermilk from the shop. We need 1 cup. No? So this is how you make buttermilk. You just take your fresh milk, and then you take a lemon. I need a knife. So buttermilk, just zoom in by the buttermilk. Okay. And then we put I would say 1/2 a lemon is enough, but I think I will just do I'll taste it now. You need the consistency of the buttermilk. Squeeze out all the lemon. I know there's a squeezing thing, guys. Please just bite for me. That squeezing thing for the lemon. I'll put 2. This is quite a big lemon though, so I think 1 is okay. And the reason we are using the seeds is to avoid the seeds going inside. So just squeeze it, squeeze it. To get our buttermilk. Let's see the consistency. Okay, I think it's good. So this is the consistency we're looking for. Right? You can see it has become buttermilk. That's how you make buttermilk. Alright, there's no need to go and look for buttermilk in the shop. So I'm just gonna add in a bit more lemon, and then I'll let it stand for like 5 minutes, and that should be ready. Okay. Alright, you can stop the video. Just let it stand there. And then you just whisk this up. Nice consistency. Okay, and then the last 2 things we do is the vanilla extract. So it's the vanilla essence we add in, and then my secret ingredients. I'll get it for you guys just in a moment. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe, comment down below, and share the video. Okay, I'll pour it. Alright, so the next process, we're gonna mix our wet ingredients. We have our milk, our egg, we have our oil, we have our 1 cup of what is this? Of our 1 cup of buttermilk, the one we just made. And then we have vanilla essence. Okay, we need 2 teaspoons. Okay, 2 teaspoons. So we pour in all our wet ingredients and we mix together. So this is 3 eggs. We pour it in. We pour in our milk. We pour in our buttermilk. And then we pour in our 2, what is this? Okay. Pour in our 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Okay. And then, where did I put my coffee jar? Okay. Alright, just point here quickly for me. And then the last one is it's the coffee. This is the secret ingredient, guys. But I'm gonna mix this and then we'll add the coffee later. Okay. Just gonna mix it up. Making sure that we do not overmix anything. Okay, and that's how my batter looks like. So lovely. And then we are gonna add in coffee. The thing is that if you put all the coffee in, firstly you need to make sure that it's room temperature. So just gonna taste with my hands, guys. Okay, it's perfect, because if you put it in while it's hot, it's gonna burn it's gonna burn your eggs. Okay, so that's why you put it in at the end when it's still nice and cold. Make sure that we do not overmix anything, so we're just gonna do this. Okay, I'm tempted to add in more coffee, but I think for the consistency that we are looking for, this is it. All right, okay, stop the video. Degrees. All right, that's it. Wow, beautiful. So I just need to taste it. This one is perfect. If your thing leaves without anything, I believe this one is just as perfect. Oh, perfect. All right, we have our perfect cakes, guys. Just gonna remove them, because if you keep them in. All right, so we are busy with the frosting. We are busy with the frosting. Oh. I've just prepared my cake, so they are now all ready. So we're gonna put caramel here, and then I'll put the frosting on top. I just need to get the frosting going. So what I put in here is sugar, butter, real butter, and then cream cheese. That's the one we have used. And then yeah, so we're gonna get the frosting going. It looks a bit crusty now, But if I had the hand mixer, maybe that would have been easy, but this will also work. Just mixing everything. They recommended them. I'll put all the measurements on here, no? The recommended measurements, but I'm not gonna use all the measurements because I just feel like it's too much sugar. I'm gonna taste how it is. Okay. The sugar is actually enough. I don't know why they're recommending more sugar. But it makes it nicely until it's smooth. The only thing we are gonna add to this frosting is how many? I think they said a half. Yeah? Where's the half cup? I think they say half. I'm gonna put half of this. I'll just add in one more. I mean, how much? You can't have too much vanilla, can you? And then I think the coffee is a bit more than recommended, but I don't have enough. I was supposed to put half a cup in here. This is Death by Chocolate. Whoa. This is Death by Chocolate. The frosting is nice and smooth. Yeah, this is a good consistency. Just gonna mix it one more time so that I can get it as smooth as possible. Let me taste it. It's fine for me. But if you want it more sugary, I think because I'm gonna add the caramel, I'm gonna leave it like this, otherwise it will be too sugary and I don't want it like that. All right, thank you. All right, now the last part. Our frosting is ready, our caramel is ready, our cakes are ready. So I'm just gonna take a layer of caramel and I'm going to spread it over here. The alternative, you can also use jam, like strawberry jam. That also goes really well. But the proper jam, not like if you know what I mean. Like you need to use the proper stuff. Okay. This is just perfect. This is so perfect. Just put as much. I think it's finished. Oh, guys, I'm even salivating myself. I don't know about you. But that is it. It is ready. We are going to take the other cake and we are going to dump it on top like this. And then we are going to finish it off with our frosting. Oof, my dear. This is now the part where other kids have gone to private school for decorating. Please don't come for me. It's the taste which matters at this point. And then we're just gonna do this. Guys, cake is one of those things where you can't say, no, I just want a little bit. It's either you go all out or you just don't do it. Because it's not gonna come out nice if you just go halfway, kashona. Unless maybe you're doing a naked cake, but oh wow. Okay. Oh, there's a whole patch here. All right. We're pretty much rounding up. We're just filling up the patches. Oh, and it looks amazing. This is homemade, no? Guys, this is not from the shop. And please don't ask me to make you a cake. There are other people who can do this decor stuff better. This is just for home. Can I put it ready to go? Can you got any patch? My videographer, are we ready to go? Okay. My videographer has agreed. I think what I can see, I just need a tissue. Just hold for me. You need to clean it up. You need to clean it up. I just wet my kitchen towel. Just to clean it before I do the final decor. It must look appetizing. And people must be like, wow. That's why. Okay, so my final step, what I do, just for decor. And if you had like, let's say strawberries, then you can also put them on top, or maybe chocolates. You can also let some fall on the floor. Nga kashona, just kashona. It's just icing sugar. Okay. Not too much, but I'm just maybe I shouldn't finish it. Huh? And where are the crusts? Okay, the crusts are here. So these are the crusts. These are the crusts I cut off. And then you just do that. You can also use them as decor. Guys, how much are you willing to buy this cake for? There. Yeah. We are pretty much done. Oh, let's end the video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. There we have it, our lovely chocolate cake. I love it. I can't wait to like dig in. But yeah, this is our homemade chocolate cake. It's so moist. I love it so much. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. See you guys in the next video, and please like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. And at this point, I just want to thank my friend B. If you're watching, thank you for like teaching me this recipe. I love it so much. And yeah, thank you for watching again, and see you guys in the next video. Ciao.